Kamuti.
Power plus, ano, power plus.
Nagre-helmet, boy! Puking ina mo! Nagre-helmet!
Patay ka putang ina ka.
King ina mo, nagre-helmet? Gago. King ina mo, naka-Springfield ka, hindi ka nga tumatama sa akin eh. King ina mo, nagre-helmet?
Natin 3 here. Direk, malapit na kami. Okay, pwede nyo likod. Down na, down na. Ganda, ganda.
Down. Push.
See, I'm back on my.
Patay ka putang ina ka.
King ina mo, nagre-helmet?
Putang ina ka. Patay ka putang ina ka.
See, I'm back on my bullshit.
Patay ka putang ina ka. Putang ina ka.
Hey, see, I'm back on my bullshit. Came a long way from school, bitch. We them niggas been banging and walking with full clips. Pocket filled with them blue strips. All the hate with the solid, can't fuck with no loose lips. If he rack up the loose quick. If a fuck nigga try, bet his ass make the news quick. Hit his ass with these blue tips. But these niggas won't shoot shit. Cause these niggas they stepping how my niggas stepping. Walk them down, but that teach them a lesson. I been kicking shit cool and got paper like Messi. Bitch, I'm Zion, yo old nigga red. She say that she love how my big ass be dressing. How that Audemars go with that neck. My features are dub, my shoulders a blessing. I got paper, I ain't doing no stress. The one who put all this together, they gave me some good and I made that shit better. Turned up the knife, my watch changed up the weather. I'm bigger and better, shit bigger than ever. Thought they was running shit, I had to catch him. He tried with some funny shit, shoot it, go stretch. I ran up some money and never got selfish. I'm solid, I put my whole team on the blessing.
King ina mo, nagre-helmet? Patay sana. Hayop ka.
Jello Cruz, yung tomboy na mataba na nang away ng bata sa McDo sa Pasig. Utang ina mo!